Oh, the time has come, Bafethu. I just want us to discuss some of the shows at Dalayo Magic TV that I'm actually watching and which I would recommend because I'm Nandi. Bafethu ngiyazi kubuhlungu kanjani to sit in front of the TV with a remote and you absolutely don't know what to watch, right? We are paying for the streaming services. I'm on Netflix, okay, let's get to it, Bafethu. The show in no particular order, there's no numbers or anything. I'm just some recommendation. So the first I'm going to recommend is Pulse. It's on Netflix. It came out on Friday. It's a medical drama.
Hey.
I don't want to get chief because we're sleeping together.
Oh, boy.
It's not fair.
You're panicking?
Of course I am panicking.
You wanted this.
Oh, God. Sorry.
It has like 10 episodes, which is a bit high. And episode it's almost like 45 to an hour, right? 45 minutes to an hour. I think, guys, you're actually gonna love it. If you are a fan of Grey's Anatomy, The Good Doctor, man, you're definitely gonna love anything that has to do with medics. I also a ton of the show. You're definitely gonna watch it. Please try it out. Imnandi, if you're a fan of Omalento medical drama. Now, the second show that I'm gonna recommend Bafethu is Ilapayana ku Prime Video. It's a very short show. It's actually quite nice. The name of the show is The Bondsman, starring Kevin Bacon.
Male enforcement, come out with your hands up.
Right, so this show, Bafethu, it's all about Kevin Bacon being a bounty hunter during daytime, right? That is his normal job, collecting people for money, taking them to court and so forth, or whatever the case might be. But then he went to a wrong house, was the Eyabulawa. When he dies, unfortunately he goes to hell, but then the devil revives him and gives him a task. You know what? You are going to be my bondsman. You're going to be killing demons that are escaping hell and going to earth. And he's like, there's actually a woman who comes to us and then he kind of gets into the idea, oh my word. So I actually died and then I came back to earth or came back to life as a bondsman for the devil. And then he starts killing demons and also upon his storyline progressor, they also show why did he go to hell. It's a beautiful show, Bafethu. I think it took me 3 hours, 4 hours. I don't regret it. Please watch it out. It's on Prime Video. The name of the show is The Bondsman. Another show that I would actually recommend as well is Dope Thief. Ooh, Dope Thief, Bafethu. It stars Brian Terry Henry and Wagner. Wagner, I think we all know Wagner from Narcos. He acts as Pablo Escobar on Netflix. Okay, now Bafethu, the show Dope Thief is one of the best shows that are currently playing on TV. Look, I know some people don't have Apple TV Plus. Okay, fine, but try to to subscribe maybe for that 1 month. Bafethu, you won't regret it.
I'm gonna explain to you what we do.
Hands up!
We're posing as feds. We're ripping off drug dealers.
You're good? You don't remember your face.
Just a badge.
Now here's the storyline of the show. Brian Terry Henry and Wagner are thieves, basically. They go around Bebamba Inkonzi ama stash houses. What's a stash houses? Stash houses is where drugs are made, money is counted from drug dealers. They pose themselves out as DEA agents. Upon doing all of this, they go to a wrong house. Imagine they go to the wrong house, they rob a wrong person, and then this person is hunting them, and they are fighting for their lives. The cast is actually quite good. We remember Oving Rames from the Mission Impossible movies, and a while back in the early 2000s, we movie got John Singleton to a Baby Boy starring Tyrese Gibson. But first, it's a nice show. This one, I need my Emmys at least some sort of nomination or something. Now, the last show that I would actually recommend, Bafethu, is on Disney Plus. It also came out on Friday. The name of the show is Dying for Sex.
Oh, look.
What did she say?
Are you okay? Are you okay?
No, I'm very bad.
I joined a dating app.
You're immunocompromised. You can't just sleep with strangers.
I want to feel things.
If you're gonna be a caretaker, you're gonna have to be there when she's in pain.
I know it's cheesy, but everybody has a bucket list.
Now, here's the storyline of this show. Dying for Sex is about this young lady. who gets diagnosed with cancer. Cancer so she gets diagnosed with cancer, and then she's like, oh, I've got only a few months left, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to explore. I'm going to go out, do whatever I need to do sexually. Go to dating sites, dating apps, or whatever the case might be. But she actually divorces her husband to actually pursue this adventure that she wants to go through, or this fantasy. And she actually does it. I haven't watched the whole thing. I've only watched a couple of episodes, like 3 or 4 episodes. It's a nice show. I believe Amanda Baningi, they actually jumped onto Disney Plus, particularly here in South Africa, because Disney Plus actually ran a promo last month in Feb, whereby you subscribe and you pay 50 rands for the next 4 months. So 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, which is quite a bargain. You're going to be able to stream, binge, and watch some of the beautiful TV shows and actually movies as well. So Bafethu, these are some of my recommendations that I would suggest that you try them out. In no particular order, as I've just told you, it's going to be Pulse on Netflix. It's going to be The Bondsman on Prime Video. It's going to be Top Thief on Apple TV Plus. And lastly, It Dying for Sex. These are nice shows that I would say, if you do not know what to watch, try them out. Please, thank you for coming through to my channel, Bafethu. Do not forget to subscribe. Subscribe, Bafethu. Let's talk soon. Your boy is out.